It's too early. We want to be like, Pom-Pom, no. Bed. Hey y'all, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another day in my life. It is Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. I know I told y'all the other day in the last clip, it was what, Monday? I ain't record anything. Was it Monday? I don't remember. I just know I didn't record nothing yesterday. I have no other garbage to take out with this. From yesterday, I had made breakfast and I did the rest of my sausage. I think I recorded that. So that's all I got left. I'm going to take this out to the dumpster. Now I'm finna head out to go get my grandbaby. Okay, y'all, it's some hours later. I'm dressed. I just got my robe on because it's damp in here. My brother's here. He just went to the bathroom. Look at it, look at her. She watching commercials. She loved commercials. But she was sitting over there by her little toys. And I say, ooh, Emma, you poo-poo. And she talking about, uh-oh. That's her new thing now. When she go to the bathroom, she say, uh-oh, and then come right by me. I say, ew, and she, uh-oh. Say, uh-oh, Gigi. No, hang on, Grandma, wait a minute. You done zoomed in. There you go. Uh-oh. Yeah. Ready to get changed? Because you think. Alright, y'all. I'm going to change her so I can start cooking dinner because it is 12:15. Jordan getting ready to take my brother out to eat for his birthday. There he goes. So they get ready to go eat them some Chinese food. And me and Emma gonna stay here and cook. I already told him it was his birthday. So yeah, y'all wish him happy birthday. He 51. 51. And he just got finished talking to Mama. He do like Emma do. Everything he go to Mama. He go tell Mama. Like he be telling Mama on me. I ain't do it. Huh? Yeah, Papa did it. I ain't do it. Yeah, Papa did it. Gigi didn't do it. Yeah. See Uncle Mitchell? Yeah, you see Uncle Mitchell. No, okay, wait a minute. Oh, I know it's time to get clean. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, y'all, I'll be back. Who's home? Deontay. And him and Emma is with the foolishness already. Already with the foolishness. Well, my dinner is done, y'all. My chicken is all fried. So, y'all, I did thighs and legs. My chicken flavored rice. I don't know why it looks... It might just be my phone, but it looks blurry through my phone. And then my corn. And then it is raining outside, so it's not the clearest day. So, that's what I did today. Boiled corn, chicken flavored rice, my fried chicken. That's all I got for them. That's all I got for them today. How did I end up with 2 tops? And hopefully they save me some food. So when it come down to chicken, y'all already know. Everybody eat fried chicken. But I done wiped everything down already. I have my this part. My basket sitting in some Dawn dish soap and bleach. So, you know. And then in here, that's what I have. The same thing, Dawn dish soap and bleach. Just sitting in here. So I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. And then I wash everything. I already have washed my pot and my container. So I'll get everything put up at one time. And I will be done for the day because this kitchen will be clean. It is 2 o'clock. Emma is spending the night. And then Jordan going to go pick Riri up for me at 5. So I'm about to sit down because I'm tired. I am just so tired. I just gave her some Benadryl. So she may be going to sleep soon because I told y'all she got a little head cold. Yeah, she got a little head cold and her nose was just running. I gave her a little Dimetapp earlier and it helps her with like her coughing and stuff and sneezing, but not with her nose running. But I noticed it done stopped it, so. But yeah. And then I'm about to let me turn my lights off. Y'all see that basket over there? I'm about to get that load of laundry done. And I got one more load in here that's in my room that I put back here because I didn't want my clothes smelling like chicken. So I gotta fold this and that other load, and then I will be done completely for today. That's what I'm finna do. But all my dinner done. So, all right, y'all. I'll do that. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Go to bed. You hear me, young lady? It's too early. You want to be like, pom-pom, no. Bed. Bye, 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 bye. Go sleep now. It's not night. It's between us, so you can't bother pom-pom. Yeah. There you go. Good night.
Emma say she ain't been more stunned. None that you talk. Emma say it is not time to go to bed. Hey, it's morning time. Say y'all need to get up because it's morning time. Say we got stuff to do.
Hey, don't you cross the line. Don't you come across the fence. I put that for you.
Child, I see what your mom and daddy be talking about. Yeah, you just don't sleep no more. You at that age, you don't want to sleep, huh?
Don't you cross that girl line. Hey, get back on your side. You be like, what's up? No, I know, hi.
Y'all, it's too early in the morning for this minute.
Papa said to go to bed.
When she used to stay here with us, she would sleep till about 7, 8 o'clock, maybe 9. She wake up. I got out the bed to go to the bathroom. She felt me move, and she got up. She stayed in her little bed till about 3, from about 8:30 to 3 this morning. But something scared her and woke up, and she did not want to get back in that bed.
Yeah. It's too early, big kid.
I know it's dark in here, y'all, but I ain't turning on no lights. We trying to get her go back to sleep. I just want y'all to see the joys of grandmotherhood and grandfatherhood, grandparenthood. After 6 in the morning. And normally I'm up. I bring Riri to work, but I told Riri she can take the car this morning because Emma stayed last night. So I thought I was going to get me some sleep. But honey, but that's okay, because when she do go back to sleep, I'm going to go back to sleep. Because it's raining and Philip about to leave out for school.
Girl, your hair, wow.
Say bedhead, Papa. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Hey, y'all. This is about maybe, I don't know. It's probably 2 hours later. Because it is almost 8:50. All right. This rest of her milk. She finished eating her strawberry. And her strawberry.
They're kind of big. These are big, so I'm going to give her 2. You want some strawberries? Hello, bowl. Hello, plate, I mean. Yeah, she loves strawberries, and I didn't have any yesterday. And she was looking around. Y'all is... We're going to the moon. Oh, it's rain.
In a pan. The pan got hot and it went bam! Great job! For this next song, let's pretend that we keep dropping our pumpkin. You can play along and use a stuffed animal. Are you ready? I dropped my pumpkin. Pick it up, pick it up. I dropped my pumpkin. I dropped my pumpkin.
All right, y'all,
Pick it
let me
up, pick it
change
up.
the baby.
I dropped my pumpkin. Pick it up, pick it up. I dropped my pumpkin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. We all fall down. Yay, you did it. Let's do it faster.
Yeah, I didn't put lotion on her when she got out the tub because I fed her. But I knew she didn't go to the restroom yet, so I knew she was going to go. And she did. She went right after she ate, so. It's just lotion.
It's a
Peekaboo.
Now let's say up.
Peekaboo.
See what surprises are in the train. Say up.
Peekaboo.
Good job. It's a puppy.
Peekaboo.
So cute. Say up. Up. It's a
Peekaboo.
kitty. Wow. Say up. Up. It's a ducky. Hooray.
Peekaboo.
All came to say hi to you. Ready?
Hey, Mom.
Go.
All right, y'all. Let me go and get my clothes on.
Chugga,
Chugga, choo, choo. Come here. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo.
Where is Duncan?
Where is Duncan? Here I am.
Please slide down on me.
Thank you for putting me in. I have to get to work.
No, don't take Gigi's
Putting
shoe.
him in.
After the Pirates' last time out of the half, ends up 4-5 from 15.
All right, y'all. It is the next day. My grandbaby did end up going home, and after the last clip, her mom came and got her at 12 because she got off early. And like I said, it's Friday. Turn real down before I get copyright. But she did good today. She still has her cold. I still have mine. The night quill worked really well, and the day quill is working really well. It is almost 3 o'clock, and I did not record anything today. I fed her breakfast. She did well. We watched a little Miss Rachel. And then 11 o'clock, she went to sleep, and she slept from 11 to 1:45. Yes? Say hi. Say hi, friend. Say hi, friends. And I was editing a video, and she heard when she was like spitting and clapping, so she kept pulling at my phone, and she was laughing. There she go again. So she definitely knows that's her. Like, she knows who she is. And she'll clap and spit and clap and spit. Like, she's a very active but good baby. She's been having a good bit of diarrhea today, and I didn't give her any food. She had strawberries, and she had one of her little fruit and yogurt things. But like I told her mama, it's just coming from this cold, and with her cold medicine, it's running out of her because you can smell it. Like, you can smell the cold in her body movements. Because she had one this morning when I picked her up, and then 2 since she's been here. Yeah, I know. You waving bye-bye to Momo? She over there looking at her picture. You waving bye-bye to Momo? Yeah, I'm going to let you talk to Momo before we leave, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mama. And Papa over there. Wait, babe. He's editing the video, you guys. He definitely is not. He missed her when she leave, but he's okay if she don't spend the night for about a week. Cause he did get sleep, but Jordan don't sleep well at night anyway. He's always up off and on throughout the night. But I think because he was tired, because he had to get up around 3 in the morning before, he was just super tired. But I was like, baby, you the one asked her to stay. Like, it doesn't matter to me. Because a lot of time when she stays, she sleeps in the room with her TT Riri. And then Riri will bring her in my room in the morning when she get ready to leave for work. Or either if I take Rante to work, she rides with us. Y'all see that in the vlog. So it doesn't bother me. Because once my morning starts, the only time I take a nap is, sorry, it cut me off mid-sentence, but the only time I'll take a nap if I'm really tired when she naps. But sometimes she may not take nothing but 20 minutes. And 20 minutes, it won't help me unless I'm on the couch. Now, if I'm on the couch, a 20-minute nap feels great. But once I get in that bed, I want to be in the bed. But like I said, it is Friday, so I don't have much to do. The kitchen is clean. Everything is clean. I did a load of laundry, so laundry is done. I did a load yesterday. Well, I did 2 loads yesterday, so laundry is done for now. Any other laundry, and like Philip has done, if he gonna do his sheets, he can do that tomorrow. I told him I'm gonna take him to get him something to eat, so he'll just ride with me when I go to drop Emma off, and I'll get him something, or if he's tired, I'll just pick it up. And then that's gonna be my day. I'm gonna come home, chill. We probably gonna watch movies, because my daughter didn't say she was going anywhere today. But like I said, look, Emma is going home. She gonna be with her mama and daddy this weekend. Yeah, bye-bye. So y'all will see her Monday. But I will vlog this weekend, whatever it is that we do. And then we have church Sunday. But thank y'all for watching. I know this video wasn't long, but I just wanted to show y'all just highlights of what we do with the grandbaby. And how Papa gonna learn next time. So I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if you care. And we will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.